Hello, everybody. This is Frank from Frank's Clean Jokes in Athens, Georgia. Hope you're doing well. I got one great joke for you. It's about a parrot. Now, you've heard of a watch dog, but this is a watch parrot. So, a guy breaks into a house at 3 a.m. one morning, and he's got his flashlight with him, and he's slowly going across the carpet, and he hears, "Jesus is watching." And he stops, and he uses his flashlight to look around, and he doesn't see anything. So he takes another step or two, and again he hears, "Jesus is watching." And he stops, and he uses his flashlight, and he sees a parrot in a cage. He says, "Oh, I ain't worried about a stupid old parrot in a cage." So he takes another step, and then he hears, "I wouldn't go any further." So he shines the flashlight back on the parrot and says, "Parrot, what's your name?" He said, "Moses." Moses? What a stupid name. Who would name a parrot Moses? And the parrot says, "The same family that would name their Rottweiler Jesus." So the moral of that story is watch out for parrots that have a friend in Jesus. Y'all take care. Have a good day. Bye.